Well, here I am, we're on the 10th tee and I'm with Jason Glenn. So he's Golf Operations Manager and Head Professional here at Eagle Ridge. And it's great to be here with you, Jace.
No worries, mate.
And great hole, this 10th hole of today especially. It's into the breeze. It's a real testing par 4. It's about 450 yards all the way into the breeze. So you're going to lead us up?
Very good shot to get there.
Okay. You're my leader. Have a lot of fun playing golf on the 9 here at Eagle Ridge. Well, you got good contacts. Will it get to that bunker? Just short. I mean, you must know the course.
Yes.
Okay.
Just short.
Okay. Well, one thing's for sure, if you can't get there, then I'm not going to get there either. But this hole really, there's a bit of fairway there, and the wind's coming a little bit from left to right and into us. Too. Let's see. Mine was a bit lower, went under the wind.
Yeah,
I might be in that fairway bunker. That'll be a good test. So thanks, Jake. Let's check out what you're doing there, buddy. And you know that Jake's got no excuses because he's been practicing. He's been playing golf for about 5 months. And he's loving it. He's in the middle of a fairway, but it's the 18th fairway. Well, Jake, I'm in the fairway bunker, but it's a pretty shallow one, a long one, and 240 yards still to go. So
right into that wind. It's a
strong wind.
links golf at its best.
Yeah, well, my lie's good, so I'm just going to be playing my rescue out of here. Just put it up there in front of the green. That's
Chuck it,
safe.
bud.
Quite happy out there. It's play. I've got a pitch and a putt. Okay,
Jason's
Jason,
ball here.
you're picking an iron.
Yes, I've got an iron, so I'm just going to try and just put it out towards the front edge of the green, and then
Because we can't quite reach it from here.
try and make a pitch and a putt.
Yeah, good on you, bud. Well, you're out and about, mate. So you're in the fairway. Definitely can get the green near the hole from there. Okay, Jake. Well, look, you've hit the middle of the fairway, but it's the other fairway, so you've got to come back into play.
Yes.
Now you've got the rescue out there.
Yeah.
Mate, I would not. This is a bit of advice, playing advice for you.
Yep.
You can't get the green. It's 230, 240 yards to the green.
Yep.
I would be taking a 7 iron out from here, 8 iron.
Okay.
Just get out over the trees, back in the fairway, and then you probably got an 8 iron back to the green. So
All right.
knock it on for 3 and make a 5. That's what you call playing percentages. Don't go for broke at this stage. Fantastic. Played like a pro. You're right there, buddy.
Yeah, should be. Hopefully in the fairway.
Enjoy the hit. Jason, you're here. You got about 125 yards uphill into the wind and over a bunker. So tell us your plan of attack here, your strategy.
Okay, so with the strong wind into us and uphill a bit, I'm just going to aim it out a bit to the right and let the wind bring it across into the middle of the green. Then if we get too much of the wind, it's still pretty safe.
Fair enough. So most important, you get plenty of club, isn't it?
Got plenty of club, play a low shot into the wind.
Okie dokie. Wow.
Tell you what, that's a good one.
You hit that sweet. You've been practicing. Wow.
Great shot.
So it must have good strategy.
Good hit, yep. Low shot. Thanks.
Okay, Jake. Well, how far have you got in here after that beautiful 8-iron?
100 yards. So that would normally be without this wind up to 52 for me.
Because you're pretty powerful.
Yeah. So I've got the pitching wedge out.
Okay.
My strategy is to get it on the green.
Okay, mate. I know I wouldn't. 100 yards. You're a gorilla. Show me how. Wow, you've hit it great. Very high.
It's short.
I think, yeah. No, it's pin high. You've got it up there. I tell you, you did hit it pretty powerfully. But it's on the green. That's fantastic.
Okay.
Okay.
A chance at both. That's a par, doesn't it?
Yeah, one putt par, you're in business.
Okay, Pete. What have you got here?
Well, I got about 60 yards uphill into the wind.
Yep.
Right to left. I'm just going to take a 52. I'm just going to play a nice little punch shot in here. Rather than hit it hard, when you're into the wind, take more club and hit it easy, and that doesn't get up in the air so much then.
Yeah.
It'll stop pretty quickly into that wind. I see someone's really close to the pin up there. I think that might be Jason. Yeah. Okay, so it's definitely going to bank off to it's a right to left. There's a bit of slope in the green, so I'm aiming about 10 feet to the right of the pin. Maybe a little bit more because the ball's above my feet. I'll be out on the right edge of that bunker at the back of the green is my aiming point. Didn't come back, but safely on the green. Well, Jake, you could have played an extra club. You're a bit short. It was nicely on line, but the 9-iron would have been better.
Yeah, it would have been.
But I tell you what, Jason is really close to the flag. It was a great shot, Jace. I'm a little bit out to the right, so how would you like the pin down there?
Take it out.
Pin out, ball in. Been into the wind. Okay, you going to mark your shot or do you want to finish it out?
I'll mark it. Okay, Pete, so that looks like a foreign putter in your hand there.
I'm just testing yours out today. I thought I might try it out. You were putting so well the other day, I thought I might try your putter.
Yeah, you didn't leave it in the car boot, did you?
I did that as well.
Now, how does that affect your mental? You're a very good putter, Pete. How does the
putting with a different putter?
Yeah.
Well, I've tested your putter out before, and this is a really nice putter. So we're not going to go back. We'll play these few holes with your putter, okay?
Perfect.
This is a playing lesson.
Left with a decent putt here. Yeah. 25 footer. Not an easy putt with that wind coming right across him. I'll tell you what.
Hello.
Tell you what.
Hello.
It's not a bad putter, this one.
I'll sell it to you, Pete.
I might buy it.